शुक्रारा गोंय पत्रकार खेळा संघटनेचो वर्सुकी सुवाळो जालो. जिनो स्पोर्ट्स अवॉर्ड्स 2019-2020 वितरण जाले. ह्या सुवाळ्याक मुखेल सोयरे म्हूण मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हजर आशिल्ले. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
हांव आतां ताचे कडेन चवकशी करतालो की अशा पद्दतीचे अवॉर्ड अजून कोण कोण दिता, गव्हर्मेंट दिता काय कितें, हांव तें विचारतालो. म्हाका खबर नाशिल्ली. म्हाका सचिन मोडीन सांगलें की गव्हर्मेंट एकूच अवॉर्ड दिता म्हणून. इन द नेम ऑफ दिलीप सरदेसाय, इट इज ओनली द सिंगल अवॉर्ड विच इज स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय द गव्हर्मेंट इन वन ऑफ द कॅटेगरी, बाय चुजींग वन ऑफ द कॅटेगरी. म्हाका खूब बरें दिसलें, कारण गेली 20 वर्सां स्पोर्ट जर्नलिस्ट असोसिएशन इन द वेरियस फील्ड ऑफ द स्पोर्ट्स and also in the journalism, those who are in sports journalism, हांच्या खातीर अवॉर्ड दिता, स्पेशली फॉर द स्पेशल स्पेशल स्पोर्ट्स स्पेशल किड्स आसा तांकांय बी. कारण ह्या पद्दतीचे जो पर्यंत अवॉर्ड दिना तो पर्यंत आतां तेंच्यांनी आपले एक्सप्रेशन फिलिंग्स थोड्यांनी उलोवन दाखयले, थोड्यांचे उलोवन न दाखयताच आमकां समजलें, वीच इज रियली खरोखरूच खूब कितें सांगूंक जाता. आमी म्हणटा की वॉट एवर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द स्पोर्ट्स government is doing. आतांय आमी for the national games on October 2020, we are preparing for the infrastructure. More than 250 crores we are spending for the infrastructure, and again for the 200 crores of rupees we'll spend for the actual for the National Olympics. आणि ताच्या खातीर प्रिपेरेशन्स ऑलरेडी चालू जाल्या. सगळे ऑनबोर्ड म्हणजे डिफरंट गेम्स, म्हाका दिसता देर आर more than 25 to 30 games. ताचे प्रिपेरेशन वेगवेगळ्या ऑर्गनायझेशन्स, एसोसिएशन हेड्स हांच्या बरोबर ऑलरेडी मिटिंग जाल्यात. तेतून करून ही गेम घेण्या फाटी फक्त एकच उद्देश आसा, मेन म्हणजे गोंयांत नॅशनल गेमीन पार्टिसिपेट जावपी टिमी आनी इंडिव्हिज्युअल्स हे तयार जावचे, जेणे करून दे कॅन पार्टिसिपेट इन टू द नॅशनल गेम्स. Very few students those are participating at present, but national games गोंयांत जाल्या उपरांत चडांत चड पार्टिसिपेशन जे आसा हे निश्चितच जातलें आनी ताचो फायदो जो आसा तो आमकां जातलो.
We started these awards way back, almost 22 years back. Earlier we were our team, we were having cricket team, we were participating in the cricket tournaments. And we never thought of starting anything like this. And therefore, one fine morning, the then president, secretary, office bearers, they came and floated this idea of recognizing the achievements of Goan sports person, both male and female, both at the national and the international level, and give them suitable awards. Being a sportsman myself, having played various games, I liked the idea. I said, let's go ahead and do it. But there was only one condition, that we will not be involved in any way in selecting the awardees.
It gives me immense pleasure year on year to be associated with this event. This event, as Mr. Jovito has already said, has been a kind of a tradition for the last more than 2 decades. I would like to commend the phenomenal work that is done by SJAG for years now in picking out very deserving sports persons of Goa for the awards.
Thank you for giving me such wonderful award. I was I cannot talk because this is my first time I'm getting award. So thank you very much.
Today is a very special day for me because I have won this award for the second time. And it's a very prestigious award. I know all the Goan sports persons and all the people from different fields try to really work hard to achieve this prestigious honor. And I'm very thankful to Salgaonkars. I'm very grateful to Mr. Dilip Salgaonkar and Dr. Sagar Salgaonkar for selecting me for this honor.